Welcome. If you want to enter app permissions in your Xiaomi Mi 10, for the first you have to click on the settings, then you have to scroll down and enter the apps, and here we can manage the permissions. Click on the permissions right now, and there's the permission manager. So as you can see, we can enter, for example, for the location, and here are the application that has access to the location. It doesn't have. So for example, we can change it for the browser, tap on the allow all the time, and right now it appears right here on the allow it all the time. And this is how we set it up. Thank you guys for the watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.